name is Ted Jenkins. This is episode 2 in our series on boneless pork loins. Alright? Today we're making homemade ramen. Now, all the ingredients I'm going to use here, I got in my local Walmart right down the road. It wasn't even far. I got them down the road and they didn't cost me too much. Everything is here made from scratch, minus the noodles. I didn't make the noodles from scratch. I'm sorry, okay? So, now let's get into our ingredients.
Oh, do we have to?
What's your problem now?
Your voice is annoying.
Your voice is annoying. You sound like a teenager that drank too much NyQuil, ate 5 Pop-Tarts. Now shut your mouth, My Chemical Romance.
Oh, fine.
Now,
Country fried Mr. Rogers.
I heard that. Now, all these prices was at the local Walmart. So, let's get into it. Okay, first, you're going to need some pork bones. Those are about $7 to $10 at your local Walmart. You're going to need 3 ginger roots. Right there in the middle, you see them? That's about 72 cents a pound around here in Louisiana. Next, you're going to need ramen noodles, that is. They sell them at the Oriental section in your Walmart. Now, this is optional if you decide you want to do it. Lemongrass. I decided not to use it for this meal, but I do recommend it. Next thing you're going to need is some fish sauce. Now, fish sauce really gives it that good flavor. Your next ingredient is going to be Mirin. Oh man, I don't know how to say it. It's on the screen, okay? I can't say everything all the time. That's about $2. The fish sauce was about $3. Next, you're going to need, everybody knows it, everybody loves it, teriyaki sauce. And then, last thing for the sauce and stuff, it's going to be soy sauce. Now, we're going to add a little. Now, we're going to pause right here because I seem to be an idiot and forgot one of the most important ingredients, sesame seed oil. I even shot the picture of it. I don't know what my problem is, okay? I'm going to put the picture on screen. Add sesame seed oil. Don't forget that. That's important. All right, let's get back to it. A little bit of cayenne just to give it a little oomph. Just get oomph, you know what I'm saying? It's the best way. Now, this is stuff you should already have at your house. If not, you can grab it too. You're going to need it. Olive oil, eggs, whole garlic, onions, and of course our pork loin from, earlier. Let's be on the same page. So, let's get into the cooking process. Let's do it together. All right. First thing you're going to do, get water, put it in the pan, get it to a boil. That's easy. That's easy. You got that all day. Second thing you're going to do, stick your bones in it. Let your bones cook for 15 minutes. 15 minutes. And when the water starts looking cloudy, like Eugene's personality, he's mad at me. It's okay. Once it starts getting cloudy, like Eugene's personality, what we're going to do is we're going to take the bones and put them in a strainer. A strainer. We're going to rinse them off with some water in the sink. Oh, yeah. And then we're going to discard that old water. We're going to put new water in the pan. Get that new water to a boil. Add your bones back. Now, it's time to start adding our ingredients. All right. Now that we've gotten rid of our nasty water, people in your life, don't forget, we're going to cut our onion in half. In half. So easy. In half. Look. Boom. Boom. Get that? Put it in the water. Now, make sure it's down there kind of good. Now, our ginger. You know what you're going to do with that? Guess what? Cut it in there. Put that in your water. Your other ginger root, you guessed it, cut it in there. Put that in your water. You know what else you should be putting in some water? Your stinky ass. Go take a bath. Now, the last thing, garlic. I know I put it in a little baggie, okay? It's because I accidentally messed up and it went all over the place, okay? Put it in your water. Now, we got all that in our water. Put a lid on it. Put it on medium. We're going to let that sit for a couple hours. Don't worry, it's going to be good. When we get closer to the end, we're going to add our stuff. But for now, let's go ahead and cut up our pork loin. All right, now we're going to cut our pork loin about a half an inch. All right, a half an inch. Let me move this over here. That we wait on that to cook. Let's cut our pork loin. Let's go ahead and do it. So we're going to cut it half of an inch. All right? Half of an inch. You know why we cut it at a half of an inch? Because I said so. Cut it half an inch. Are you the toxic person we was talking about? Because I see the attitude over there. I see it. Half an inch. So we're going to cut it half an inch. I heard that. Half of a whole inch. Careful on your fingers. Look at that. Look at that. That was good. Now, we are going to let this cook for a couple hours. We're going to cook our pork loin. Chops now. I guess they chops now. They ain't a pork loin no more. Because we cut them. Remember, half inch? You argued with me. It was the whole thing we did. Remember? Do you remember that in the past? It happened. So, we're going to cook our pork chops, boil our noodles, and boil our eggs. Yes, eggs. I forgot the secret ingredient. It's a boiled egg. Surprise! All right. I know you can't see me. It's steamy. It's okay. So, we got our water going. You see how clear this water is? How this mixture's working? That's what we wanted. Remember, we got all the toxicness down the drain over there in the sink. There's a reason we did that. Because it's disgusting. Wake up, America. So, now that we got that going, let's add our seasoning to it. Now, let's remember, we got our soy sauce. We got our fish sauce. We got spoiler sesame seed sauce. We got, don't get too excited, it's coming, teriyaki sauce. And then we got our final one, the one I can't say. Why can't I say it? Eugene, how do you say it? The Mirwpt one.
Mirin.
I don't think that's right, but all right. What we adding it? These guys going to sing that disgusting. So now that we've added our seasoning to this, shut your lid. If you think you want to let them, oh, I almost forgot an important thing.
You better add your cayenne to get some spice to it, baby.
Oh, yeah. Like a tablespoon or something. Now, we're going to let this cook. We're boiling our eggs over here. All you got to do is boil our noodles. We're going to put it together. I'll see you when you're ready to put it together. right, now it's time. Our juice is ready. We're ready for juice. So let's remove our giblets. Throw them in your trash can. Remember the garlic we talked about? If I said ginger earlier and it was garlic the whole time, you're judging me too much. You're overthinking it. So, bone. Look at that. Oh. Like, you can even use this as therapy. The people in your life you don't like, throw in the trash. Listen, Betty, you hurt me. Throw in the trash. All right. Oh. Check it out. Let's turn it off. Let's turn it off. We've made our noodles. We've made our... Move that the wrong way. Ooh, guys. Get this on camera. Check this out. Oh, that looks good. All we did was boil some bones. Add some recipes, add some spices. That's gonna be so good. Now, I know the part you're excited about. Let's put it together. Come on. All right, now let's put it together. Y'all enjoy. Thank you guys for watching. Hit that subscribe button. I guess the red button, remember? I don't know. Let me know if y'all cooked the meal. If y'all cooked the meal, show me what y'all got. This is kind of a basic model of the ramen recipe, but I'm pretty sure for beginners, we got it going on. All right, so hit the button. Thank you to Drew for animating. Y'all have a good rest of y'all's night.